To add or remove tension, unroll the shade completely and replace the tension pin into the roller tube. If the original pin is not available, use a 1 1/4 inch long nail. Remove the number 8 screw from the roller tube extension and carefully remove the roller tube from the window while keeping the bottom rail in place. Clamp a vice grip to the square drive end. Holding the vice grip, remove the tension pin. Slowly add 1 or 2 turns clockwise to add tension, or 1 or 2 turns counterclockwise to remove tension. Reinsert the tension pin before removing the vice grip. Reinstall the roller tube into the brackets, secure the number 8 screw into the extension. Remove the tension pin and test the new tension. Repeat steps until desired tension is achieved.